Hi, my name is Mark, and today I'll get you through the demo of API integration with GiniMachine. And before we jump into technical details, let's explore the interface a bit. So this is the main screen, and if we just scroll down up until the footer, so we can find an API deprecation link. Let's click on it. So this page is publicly available, so we can come back to it at any time soon. So this page contains two main logical blocks. First is authentication block, and the second block is API endpoints description. So first we need to pass authentication, and in order to do so, we need to have an API key. So let's process with an instruction and click on the link to profile. So here we see the generate button that helps us to generate our token. Let's click on it. So here is a token, and keep in mind, whenever we update this page, the token will be gone, so make sure to save it into the safe place. So I just click the token. And I pass this token into Postman. So here it is, the token itself, and the URL to the interface. The URL can be found in the documentation as well. So let's get back to the endpoint itself. So here, there is actually one query parameter, which is model ID. So the model that was already built with GiniMachine, and it's the direction where our applications will be going for scoring. So authorization, and here is the API key which is generated. And the most important part is the body itself. So the body contains the application information, and the columns itself should be mentioned with the columns or then files that was used in order to build the model. So actually accept the OK column because this is the result column that we would love to predict. So the model ID can be easily found in the interface itself. So if we go to scoring models, and here all the models that were built in our system, and here is the IDs. So I just simply get the model with ID 1818. So I put this ID in the Postman interface. So all right. Well, all is ready. Let's actually send a request. So here is the response. So we got the prediction with a score 0.8. So the resolution was approved based on the pathology that was selected in the GiniMachine interface. So another kind of option that we would love to get the result as well as the interpretation of the score. Let's send a request to the model with key 1818. So, and we get not only the score, but the interpretation of the scores, the effects, the negative and positive effects on the score. So, and there is for sure an option to process with the batch scoring. So, actually, if we want to score two applications simultaneous, there's a patch. So let's just simply giving one more application, and there is at least the array of applications, and let's send a request. So yeah, and we got the array of predictions back. We see direct scores to resolutions and the ID of each and every application that got scored with the GiniMachine. Thanks.